Today in the Daily Dose, where in the world is Ireland? The sovereign nation of Ireland, officially the Republic of Ireland, is home to some 5 million residents, spanning 27,132 square miles of diverse scenic beauty, while Northern Ireland's nearly 1.9 million residents and 5,456 square mile landmass is a possession of the United Kingdom. Spanning approximately 300 miles from north to south and 170 miles from east to west, Ireland is divided into 4 provinces, including the rolling hills and fertile plains of Leinster in the east and the central lowland surrounding the River Shannon, Ireland's longest river, Munster to the south, with its scenic cliffs and Ring of Kerry, Connacht to the west, known for its bogland, rugged mountains and picturesque lakes, and Ulster to the north, which is home to both the Republic of Ireland and Northern Ireland. With over 3,000 miles of stunning coastline, offering views of cliffs, coves, and sandy beaches, the Cliffs of Moher in County Clare welcomes 1.5 million visitors annually to its 700-foot-tall panoramic view of the Atlantic Ocean and the surrounding Irish coastline, while the Giant's Causeway in far northern Ireland draws 1 million visitors annually to its unique hexagonal basalt columns formed by volcanic activity. Ireland's mild and equable climate is bathed by the relatively warm ocean waters of the North Atlantic Drift, giving the island a temperate maritime gentleness, replete with mild winters and cool summers, while its average annual rainfall of 48 inches gives most of the country a lustrous green appearance. With a population of a little more than 1 million residents, Dublin comprises the largest city in Ireland, followed by Belfast's population of 345,000. After that, city populations fall off dramatically, including Ireland's 4th largest city of Cork at 190,000 residents, followed by Dunleary at 185,000. With approximately 64% of Ireland's landmass committed to farming, the two nations' leading agricultural products include milk, barley, beef, wheat, potatoes, pork, poultry, truffles, and mutton, while the nation's leading natural resources include peat, copper, lead, zinc and silver, barite, limestone, dolomite, and natural gas, making the island of Ireland a land of welcoming people, rich history, and diverse scenic splendor. And there you have it. Where in the world is Ireland? Today on the Daily Dose. Get your nerd on with the Daily Dose. And if you enjoyed today's episode, share the link with a friend or colleague so that they too can learn something new every day.